Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful, brand new Valiant Lady. Now this particular category is a Sea Terrace. Now I'm going to take you through it in just a minute, but just to introduce you to Virgin if you're not familiar, they're incredibly well known for their amazing food. Each and every single restaurant has its own galley. Everything on board is made to order. They have amazing live music, so you would expect from Virgin, because that's their roots way back when. But in addition to that, you're gonna find it's one of the most inclusive cruise experiences at sea, especially for an entry-level balcony cabin like this. Now I'll tour in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, Virgin is still a new cruise brand, and something that I really appreciate is they've listened to their guests and they've made constant adaptations and I think improvements. I'll point out a few as we go. Now, as you walk in the door, the first thing that you're gonna see is that you do have a full closet here. So you've got quite a bit of hang-up space, you've got more storage up above, and then you also have this curtain now to block off just in case you don't wanna have a view of that. So now we're gonna head into the bathroom, and I'll say it's not a huge bathroom. It's very functional. So you've got storage here on top of the vanity, you've got a little bit of storage underneath, and a really nice large backlit mirror. Toilet's tucked just behind, and as I step in here, I am 6'6", I'm a really big guy, I do fit in here. You're gonna find that you have the rainfall shower head up above, adjustable shower wand here, and then you'll have your bath amenities and a nook for more. Now, if bathroom size makes a big difference to you, I do recommend that you check out the Sea Terrace XLs. It's quite a bit bigger, but for the price point, I find it to be a really great value. Now, I did want to point out in the closet here, you've got a full laptop size safe there, you've got your hair dryer, you've got storage up and down. And they also added in drawers here where previously it was shelves. I think it's a really nice improvement. You'll also have a floor to ceiling mirror to get ready. And then you can also sit here at the vanity to get ready as well. So you got a small stool that'll pull out. You're gonna have 2 USB chargers, 2 US plugs, and a European plug here as well. Mini fridge just to the side, and then they'll constantly replenish the water for you. That's one of the things they do here on board. It's one of those eco features to eliminate single-use plastic bottles. Now, I really wanted to point out this tablet. It's awesome. You're gonna use it when you get on board to watch the safety video, and then throughout the cruise, it controls everything in the room, from the lights to the temperature to the television. Now you've got a nice reading chair over here in the corner, and one of the really unique features about this particular cabin category is the way that you can adjust the bed. So right now it's set up as a bed. You've got a comfy bed there, all the pillows, new throw pillows there, and also a new backboard like that. You're gonna find that you do have reading lights here, and there's even a third reading light over here as well. Now this bed can separate where they move it over here and then you have a nice large couch and then a twin bed. Once again, it's a little bit adjustable. You pick the perfect fit for you. You've got a nice table here where you can sit and have breakfast in bed. You've got one on the other side as well. And then just behind, you're gonna have 2 USB plugs and a US plug for charging. Directly across from the bed, you've got a flat panel TV, fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. Now, as we head to the other side of the bed, you're also gonna have 2 USBs and a US plug. Once again, I love the fact you've got great technology, Wi-Fi included, and plenty of places to charge your devices. Now let's head out and check out the Sea Terrace. So now you're out on your private Sea Terrace. You've got 2 chairs and a table here. It's that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening to take advantage of the incredible ever-changing ocean views. That fresh air, and of course your own private space to read a book, relax. It's absolutely fantastic, and a lot of our guests really do prefer that. Now, I did want to point out their famous red hammocks. Many of our guests go home with them. They're incredibly comfortable. I love that you have that gentle sway of the ocean here, and it's just another great place to relax. Now, if you want to see the full ship, we have that on our channel, as well as the suites if you want to consider upgrading. Now, keep in mind when you're ready to book your next Virgin voyage, sit in your hammock, sit back and relax. Make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.